Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for tuning in again today. Today I'm going to be taking you guys through a soft glam makeup look. So stay tuned for the tutorial. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment and don't forget to subscribe. We don't talk anymore. I'm gonna start with my Swiss chocolate eyeshadow. Completely ignore the eyeshadows I'm going to be showing you today. Obviously, I use these eyeshadows literally almost every single time I wear my makeup. So, it has its pan. Don't judge me. There's still a lot left. I'm not one of those people that throw eyeshadows like this away. Nope. See, we're still going to use every single thing in the corner, baby. You okay? I have a brand new one, which is still gonna be there. If you need me to show you the brand new, I'm going to show you, but I ain't gotta prove nothing. Just gonna put that right here, starting from the outwards and bringing it in slightly. Anyways, I'm gonna add a deeper brown to what I have on right now. So I'm just going to concentrate that like at the end of the eyelid. Remember the first one was in the crease, but this one, I'm going to really concentrate at the end of the eyelid to create like a shadow just right there. Alright, so that's it pretty much. Then I'm gonna go in with soft brown. So this is like a lighter brown eyeshadow. So I'm gonna pack that on with this brush, with a flat brush. I'm gonna pack that on to my eyelid. Once I pack on the eyeshadow, I'm gonna go back in with my brown eyeshadow, the Swiss chocolate one, and I'm just gonna use that to like blend the two shades together without overpowering the lighter eyeshadow. I'm going back into my lighter eyeshadow just to pack on a bit more and pat it slightly into my crease, just going up a little bit. Oh yeah, that looks good. All right, that looks good. So it's just not, you don't even need to do a lot of blending. This is basically a maximum of 3 eyeshadows, and yeah, see, looks good. This is soft glam, and because we're doing a soft glam look, I'm not going to put a sharp liner, but I'm just going in with this flat brush. I'm gonna go in with my brown eyeshadow just to create a line, like a smoky line, very close to my lashes. So I like starting from the ends because I want it to become much softer when it gets to the front. Oof, nice. At this point, it's up to you if you want to put a black liner in your waterline or not. It's completely up to you. That's it for my eyes really, and then I'm just gonna put on my lashes. Remember, soft glam. How pretty is that, guys? That's really beautiful. So soft glam is really easy to do. So anyways, I'm just gonna finish up my skin now. I'm sure you already know what's next. I'm gonna light today with my prolonged wear concealer in NC45. All right, I'm pretty much okay with that highlight. So next on, I'm just gonna put a little bit of setting powder underneath my eyes. You see, nothing too crazy. It's barely anything on, which is how I want it, because my skin is a bit, I wouldn't say dry, but it's lacking a little bit of moisture these days. So I try not to bake too much, not to take out too much moisture from my skin. So I just like leaving it that way. And then gonna go in with my normal powder just to bring everything together. So next on for my blush, I'm gonna use this blush called Sunbasque. This has a more like it's a mixture. It's more of a mixture of like a blush and a highlighter together. So, and it's a peachy tone as well. Okay, that looks nice. We like that. Just make sure when you're using more shimmery blushes like this, make sure you start small and you blend it properly, because shimmers are a lot harder to blend than mattes. So just keep that in mind. Always watch out for the kind of texture or finish your product are. That would help you, you know, stay in control of your application. You like that? We like that. To bronze, I'm gonna use my Sun Power bronzer. And I'm gonna mix that with my Swiss chocolate blush, which is like a brown chocolate color. I'm just gonna mix those two together. That looks decent. I'm happy with the bronzing. And I did a little bit of nose contour off camera as well. I think we should go for a golden highlight today, just because I haven't worn this highlighter in a long while. This is called Whisper of Guilt. It's a champagne gold color. Let's see, I'm just gonna add a little bit of your cupid bow, the tiny bit on your forehead area, your chin area. Nice. I think I'm gonna put a little bit in my teardrop as well. Yeah, that looks fine. Decent. That looks okay. Happy. I'm really loving this look. It's simple, but you can also see it, if that makes sense. It's like a really cute soft look. All right, so at this point you can choose to wear a bold lip or a nude lip, but for the sake of keeping the look soft, I'm going to do a nude lip today. I already used my chestnut lip liner, so I'm going to use this lipstick called Mehr, MEHR. Ooh, child, wait. Wow. Okay. Thank you guys so much for watching today. I hope you enjoyed the makeup tutorial. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and share your thoughts with me in the comment section. And if you would like me to do any particular kind of makeup look or tutorial, let me know in the comment section, and watch my other videos. If not, I'll see you in my next video next week. Bye.